Well, here's the second remote control from the two satellite boxes that I did away with in a recent air cannon video. I did away the first remote with the capacitor bank a short while ago, and in this video I think I'll just connect the AC from the MOT2 pack that I use for charging the cap bank and run it through the remote controls board. So let's see how it reacts to a few kV more than it's supposed to run on. Well, here we have a good look at the board. It's a bit more advanced of a remote than the other one was. This one has some surface mount LEDs, a surface mount chip, and a few other things on it. Well, power is on. Let's see. Whoa! Well, couple of shots there. We'll give it a little more. Okay, we've got a better look at it with the camera, so... That looks pretty crispy. Yeah, to me that looks well done. Definitely well done. Well, here's a look at the top side. Burnt right through the circuit board quite effectively. One of the chips fell off when I turned it over. Not surprised. So much for one useless remote control. Well, that was more fun than just pitching it in the trash, anyway.